Hi, Cindy here for CB Webworks, where we review and discuss the latest digital software and courses to hit the marketing niche. In today's review, we will be taking a look at the product ClickyPay by Branson Tay, as well as taking a look at all the really great bonuses you will receive when you pick up ClickyPay through my link in the description box below. First of all, what is ClickyPay? So it's a brand new software tool that claims it will allow you to make $2 to $3 by simply clicking on ads and website links. So off the bat, I just want to clarify something that I found a little bit confusing at first, because when I read the headline of the sales copy, I got the impression that I was going to be using ClickyPay to click on ads, and then when I clicked on those ads, I would just get paid. But then when I dove in a little bit deeper to the software and really got an understanding of what it was and how it worked, I kind of got a whole different impression of what ClickyPay is all about. So it's actually a really ingenious software that allows you to put these very innovative pop-up ads over top of videos on your website. And then when people click on your pop-up ads, that's when you get paid. Now, how much you get paid really depends on the affiliate offer or maybe even the CPA offer that you have linked to that particular pop-up ad. Now, I know it may sound a little bit daunting at first, but the really cool part about this software is that everything is automated for you. So you basically are given these high quality templates that you can copy and paste information on them and customize the look and the feel to your liking. Now, I know you might also be thinking, but I don't have any videos to put ads on, or I'm not the creative type. Again, I don't want you to create videos, and you don't have to worry, because ClickyPay has you covered again when it comes to finding videos on YouTube. And more specifically, all you have to do is type in a keyword in the video search function, and the software will then go and find YouTube videos that you can use. It always a good idea though, before you use the video, to just quickly go and do a little checking for yourself and make sure that the video is marked as Creative Commons, so you never have to deal with any copyright issues. But once you've found your video and it's good to go, it's just a matter of putting these ads on top of your videos and then setting everything up. So this is really all in all a great software tool, and I've put together an exclusive bonus package for anyone who grabs ClickyPay through my link below in the description box. So simply go ahead, click the link below, and you'll get instant access to all of these bonuses. First of all, you get the lockdown formula, valued at over $400, which is an information product that goes back to teaching the fundamentals on how to build an online business. And it also comes with software that allows you to create these really beautiful and different looking squeeze pages or landing pages. And it also has a component dedicated to teaching just about traffic generation. So when you combine all three of these components together, this course can really help to ramp up your ClickyPay business as well when you use the two together. Next, your next bonus that we have in line is Jono Armstrong's Headline Hacks, valued at $46.95. And you can definitely use this within the ClickyPay platform to ensure that your ads have really winning headlines that will grab your niche's attention. Next in line, we have bonus number 3, which is Mobily, and this is valued again at over $300. And what this software does, it shows you how to use just your mobile device to make money online, so you're making money on the go. Then again, you have bonus number 4, in which you'll get access to yet another software called Nova. And not only do you get access to the front-end version of Nova, but you get all of its upsells as well. This is really a great deal. So making the value of this bonus over $267. And what this software does, it's an auto TikTok bot that sends traffic wherever you want it to go, like for instance to your ClickyPay page, which then gives your traffic 3 different ads that they can select from. And then finally, you have bonus number 5, and this one you get access, of course, to all of the vendor bonuses on top of all of my exclusive bonuses that I just mentioned above. So go ahead and click my link in the description box below so you can get started with ClickyPay today and start getting paid.